Have you ever had a day where nothing goes right and everything goes wrong? Well, yeah, that was me yesterday. Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I'm participating in Bumby DIY's Show Me DollarTree challenge. Now, I know I am a day late on this challenge for two reasons. Number one, I didn't know about the challenge until yesterday when my sister told me, and I was missing one of the items that I always have here at my house, which is the food item. So I had to run out and get that. And then number two, it was a day from I don't even know what, like Murphy's Law. I ended up breaking the rearview mirror on the passenger side of my car into a million pieces. Actually, I didn't break it. It ended up getting broken by someone else a million pieces. And then I fell at the thrift store right straight down, hurt my leg, but I am all better. On a huge thing of ice at the door that they did not have salted or anything. So yeah, not fun at all. And then something else happened, and by that time it wasn't even 10 o'clock in the morning yet. I said, I'm done. I threw my hands up. I came home. I put on some comfy clothes, grabbed a blanket, and hunkered down to wait for the day to be over. So now here we are today doing, I know it's a long explanation, but we are going to jump into this challenge. Now what she's asked us to do is to show favorite things from each one of the categories that she has kind of in order. There's 10 of them, and I have my favorite things here around me. Let's jump into it. First one is kitchen. Sorry, I'm looking down, but I got to read it off of my phone. So for the kitchen, I have this container. It has some caramel chips in it right now. I love these. This one is glass. They come in plastic too. I have several plastic ones and several glass ones. I like it because they seal very well and they keep everything fresh. I have chips in a couple of them. I had this on my cocoa bar. The other ones, I have the individual creamers by my coffee station, and they also come decorated for different holidays. I had the Christmas one that had snowman or Santa Claus or maybe both on it, and I know they do some other decorations for different seasons. So, number two, food. Now this is the item that I was missing, the only item that I was missing. And I picked up these. I always have these. These are the hazelnut wafers that they come in a little can like this. I have these by my coffee station and I had them by my hot cocoa station. And I thought I had extra in my pantry, but somehow Chad ate them all up. And so I didn't have any to show you guys, but I love these. They're great when you have guests over and you can just put these out when you guys have coffee and cocoa and stuff like that. It's a really nice accessory. Then number three, organization. Well, we all know, and I am going to show what probably everyone already showed, is these storage baskets. These are great for organization. I have them in pretty much every room in my house. I use them in my kitchen, in the pantry, in the bathroom. We have a storage closet in there. In my linen closet that's not in the bathroom, I have craft supplies and stuff. I have some in my beauty room. They come in numerous colors and sizes, and some of them are even stackable. So I love those. Number four is a beauty. Now for beauty, I'm going to show you guys these. These are face masks. Now I saw people haul these way back in the summer, and some people said that they didn't like them or they didn't do anything for them. These are anti-aging serum facial masks, and they have collagen in them. This is the like fourth or fifth set that I've bought of these. My girlfriend Mandy over at Laugh Love Shop, she does a face mask every single solitary week, so I thought I would try it to see if it helped with hydration of my skin or anti-aging or whatever. And I figured, hey, it can't hurt, and you get two in a pack. I think two. Yeah, two in a pack, because I have another one like this for $1. So if it works, it works. I like it. I just like, you know, pampering myself. Plus, I think they help because I'm a lot older than I look. Anybody know my age? Take a guess down below. And don't worry, you can't offend me. So number six is cleaning. I have this. This is a Lysol cleaning solution that comes in with a dispensable top. You twist it and then you press your cloth or whatever down on top of it and it dispenses the solution on it so you can wipe down your counters and stuff. They had these last summer, I think it was. I don't think it's 2 years. I bought a ton of these. I bought one to start with to try it to make sure, number one, I wasn't allergic to it. But it's really, really nice. It's what's it say? Power and free tap top. And so, like I said, you push down on the top of it and you get your solution as much as you want to wipe down your counters and stuff. I have it in my bathroom and in my kitchen, and I really, really like it. I hope they come out with it again this year because it's just easy for me to use. Then number 7, home decor. For home decor, I have vases. They have so many different vases. This is a newer one at my Dollar Tree with a little twine around the edge, and it is really cute. It's got a green tint to it. I have the hurricane ones. If you just saw my last video where I did my tablescape, the red bottom to that cake stand was a vase. I just love the variety that they have now, and you can always find vases there. Plus florals. I just picked up these. I'm going to be actually hauling both of these things in a Dollar Tree haul coming up here shortly. These are magnolias. I have a thing for magnolia flowers now, and I thought these were really, really pretty. Dollar Tree does a great job on florals, and this season it's the same. So that is for home decor. Then 8 is a craft. For craft, I'm going to show you guys 2 things. I have Mod Podge. Now, this is a small bottle of Mod Podge, but it goes a long way. I've done several projects with these, especially the Dollar Tree is like 5 minutes from my house. I can get in and out and right back. When I run out of like a bigger container of Mod Podge, I can run and get this instead of having to drive 20 minutes to Michael's. I love that. And I love these. These are supposedly candle holder mirrors. I use these in craft all the time. I just use them on my tablescape. I put them in so many different projects, and I will show you one of them here at the end because one of them's for a DIY for the questions. And then next is a Valentine's related item. So for that, I have these. They come in this little container, but I will pull them out and get one to show you. I just utilized this on my tablescape too. It is a little like place card holder or picture holder. You could do a number of things with it. The bottom base of it is a clear heart made out of glass, and then the wire heart at the top to hold the item. And I love these. I've had these for quite a while. You can use them at Valentine's Day or any time throughout the year because it's clear glass and it doesn't say Valentine's on it at all. So I have this. They come 3 in a pack too. And the Dollar Tree has a ton of them right now. Every Dollar Tree I've been to in like the last month has had them. So if you're looking for them, run out and get them. And the last thing is your favorite Dollar Tree DIY. So I have 2 because this is absolutely my favorite Dollar Tree DIY. It is the Dollar Tree silver plastic ice bucket that they had out at the summertime. I saw one last week at one of the Dollar Trees I was at. It's more like with the fancier serving stuff that they have like for weddings and things like that. And then I put all these crystals on it in a DIY project. Now the crystals obviously didn't come from the Dollar Tree. If they sold these, I'd be in love. They do have like the diamond gem strips and the diamond gem like sheets and stuff, so you could do that with it, but the crystals would be smaller. Now if you're talking about an item that's only Dollar Tree items in the DIY, then I have this for you guys. This is a lantern that I made 2 years ago. I think it here is on my channel. I will link it down below if you care to see it. I'll also link down below the DIY on the ice bucket. What this is 2 plant hangers, one of the mirrored glass pieces that is here in the bottom. It is a Pilsner glass from the Dollar Tree filled with Dollar Tree stones and the top to one of the Dollar Tree solar lights. And then I took some ribbon and a floral from the Dollar Tree and placed it around it. There's not an item on this that didn't come from Dollar Tree. I did this in a collab video with my friend Krista over at Crafty Kitty, and I do believe it was 2 years ago here on Dollar Tree, and I've used it in my backyard ever since. It had chains hanging on it, and I did have chains on it hanging from a shepherd's hook at one point, but when it gets cold out, I take the chains off and I set it on a table for the fall season, and then after that I usually store it away, and luckily I was able to pull it out to show you guys. So that is it for my Show Me Dollar Tree challenge. I absolutely love the Dollar Tree. I'm probably there every single solitary week. I want to thank Bumblebee for including me in this challenge. I will link her channel down below along with the playlist of all the other participants in the challenge. Make sure you go by and show them all some love. Also, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, and sharing all of my videos. Also, if you're not a member here at Lacee Space, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. I don't know why not. We have a lot of fun here. I do a lot of DIYs, as you can see. I also do haul videos, shop with me's, thrifting, get into a lot on this channel here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, loves. Yep, and there's my stalker. If you're new to my channel, that's Bandit. That's one of 2 chihuahuas that I have. Dozer, he's sitting over here on the other side of the couch just kind of crying at me. Life's a joy.